Hey YouTube, it's your boy D7 here, and this video is going to be an update for how to screen record your iPhone, your iPad and your iPod Touch running iOS 9, 2 to 9.2.1 and 9.3. No jailbreak is required. The apps in question are AirShou and Shou TV. Now the problem is they both use each other in conjunction, and Shou.tv was removed from the App Store. So meaning, of course, we need to find another way. This tutorial is going to cover all angles. So worst case scenario is you're going to need obviously the device and a PC. Best case scenario, you're only going to need the device. Now I know word from the developer is Shou.tv is in review and should be in the App Store in a couple of days. But like I said before, I'm just going to make a one-stop shop, cover all angles, and by the end of this tutorial, whatever method, it's all going to be on your device. So first port of call, let's delete these. And let's start from scratch and go on a Shou Dragon Ball hunt. So in the description, the first download is going to be AirShou. I'm just going to paste in the link. You'll see it in the description next to AirShou. Click on that link via your device, hit open, then install. Hit the home button and it will start to install wherever you had space on your screen. There we go. So we hit to launch it. Of course, it being iOS 9 and above, we need to manually allow access to it. We do that by going to Settings, General, and just under VPN you'll see profiles if you're running iOS 9 to 9.1. If you're running 9.2.1 or 9.2 and above, it will say profiles and device management, or just device management. You need to hit into that and then find the profile. There it is. Hit trust again, and now we can launch the application. So this is where the Shou.tv comes into play. So you click continue, it automatically takes you to the App Store, but of course it's not available. So the first port of call is, you may already have had it installed if you've ever used the screen recorder before on iOS 8 or even iOS 9. Just go into purchases, hit down on the search bar and just type in Shou. You can see there, you may already have it. There you go, Shou.tv. So I've already got it, so I'm going to install that. And then you're good to go. That may not be the case for you. You may not have ever had it installed, in which case we're going to go to the next step. Okay, so let's move to the second stage. In the description, the second link, I want you to grab your PC and I want you to navigate to the App Cola link. Some of you may already have that installed watching my previous videos. I want you to then select download App Cola for Windows. Hit that. It's 100% safe. Keep the file. Once it's downloaded to your desktop, you'll have the .exe. Double click the .exe and run the file. Once you've run the file, it will automatically open up for you, but you'll also get the shortcut. I want you to launch that. Also, side note, make sure that you have the latest iTunes installed, okay? So now all we need to do is connect the device to your PC and App Cola will automatically read it. There we go. So all I need you to do now is select apps, and in the top bar type in Shou.tv. There we go, Shou.tv, hit return, and there we go. Hit install. It's going to go into your task center. You can click that and you can see its progress. There we go. I'll just bring the device into view as well. It will automatically pop onto the device once it's fully installed. There we go. Now, just a side note, obviously a few people are going to be trying this at once. If it's high traffic and it's a slightly slower download due to the server being obviously used, then just be patient, leave it to download, leave your device connected and go about your business, go make a coffee or something. So once done, you will have Shou.tv. I want you to open that. Now, if at this point you get Apple ID or it auto closes on you, it shouldn't, but again, I want to cover all angles. This is what you would do. I want you to then go to my device and fix authorize. Okay, and then under your fix authorize, you'll see Shou.tv. This is if it asks you for Apple ID or if it ever asks you, or if it ever auto closes. Just hit fix, let it do its thing. There we go. Once you've got complete, you know you're good to go. So we can now launch the app. So now we have both the apps that we need in question to get the screen recorder working. Let's do that part. Okay, so now we've got everything we want. I want you to launch AirShou, hit continue, open, Because we've got both apps, it's going to automatically take you to Shou.tv. Now log in with one of Twitter, Facebook or Google+. I'm going to choose Facebook, and then you just need to put your login details. I'm going to do that now. Okay, so once you've hit login, just hit OK, which allows access. This confirms who you are, and then you'll be redirected to the Shou.tv. You've got the Shou.tv wants to open in AirShou. We hit open, and there we go. There it is. So we can go to record, and we can check our orientation. I'm going to keep it a portrait, and resolution 1080p of course, and you can name it whatever you want. Let's go test 1. At this stage, I want you to go into settings, control center, and make sure allow access within apps. I always keep that off because sometimes when you're playing games, you invoke control center by accident in the heat of a battle or anything like that. So I'm going to switch that on for now. We'll go back into Shou.tv. You want to hit next step. Hit OK. Invoke control center. Select AirPlay. It will read AirShou. Slide on mirroring. Hit done. And now it will start to record for you, and it will record everything, and there's no lag. So gameplay perfect for. So once you're done, go into AirShou, hit stop. You click the play button top right, and then you can view your recording. You can play it as it is. So gameplay perfect for. Okay, so of course, I want you to, every time you make a recording, always back it up, save it to your camera roll. That way you can never be caught out if the app should ever crash, and you would just follow all the steps that you've just seen if that should ever happen. So if we go to photos, you can see there is my recording. And now that it's in camera roll, you can do as you wish with it. You can plug it into your PC, edit the recording, or upload it via the device itself. So that was my update tutorial covering all angles. I hope the video helped you guys out. It's your boy D7 as always. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys real soon.